and unique perennials for full sun in every growing zone. Color Spires backed the Fuchsia Salvia. With 7 colors in the Color Spires series of perennial salvia, Backed the Fuchsia is the brightest and most fun color to have in your garden this spring. Delicious candy coneflower. A perennial garden favorite, Echinacea has enjoyed a decades-old reputation for being a lovely wildflower that has been tamed and brought into the everyday garden as a mainstay. Firefly Sunshine Yarrow. Yarrows make a wonderful perennial addition to any garden, and Firefly Sunshine Yarrow might very well be the cheeriest, long-lasting yarrows on the market. Little Goldstar Black-Eyed Susan. With Little Goldstar Black-Eyed Susan, Rudbeckia fulgida, you can enjoy yellow daisy-like flowers most of summer and into fall. Moonbeam Threadleaf Tickseed. When most perennials have finished blooming in the heat of late summer, Coreopsis is still pushing out the blooms. Pardon my cerise bee balm. This compact perennial is perfect for any space. Its petite size makes it a wonderful choice to place in containers, areas with limited space, and up front in sunny borders. Rainbow Rhythm, Primal Scream, Daylily. Add some sunshine to your yard. This eye-catching hybrid Daylily can tower up to 3 feet tall, and it provides large, stunning, orange-hued flowers that are curved and uniquely textured. Snowcap, Shasta Daisy. The saying, fresh as a daisy, applies to this variety of Shasta daisy more than any other. Snowcap Shasta Daisy is a compact variety that withstands summer downpours and windy days with less staking than its taller, more leggy cousins. Explore cool and unique perennials for full sun in every growing zone. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.